My cat's reaction to a robot vacuum. In this hilarious video, we capture the priceless reaction of our cat when encountering a robot vacuum for the first time. Watch as our curious feline friend reacts to this unfamiliar mechanical creature invading its territory. The expressions and antics of our cat will surely make you smile and leave you in stitches. Don't miss out on this adorable and entertaining cat vs robot vacuum encounter. Cat vs robot vacuum. Cat's reaction to robot vacuum. Funny cat and robot vacuum interaction. Curious cat encounters robot vacuum. Hilarious cat vs vacuum showdown. Welcome to our channel. Cat lovers unite. Camera shows the title and logo of the channel. My cat's reaction to a robot vacuum. Hey there, fellow cat lovers. Welcome back to our channel, where we bring you the most adorable and funny cat moments. In today's video, we have something incredibly entertaining in store for you. Our beloved feline friend is about to have its first encounter with a robot vacuum. Meet our mischievous cat, Whiskers. Always curious and never shying away from exploration, Whiskers loves to investigate anything new in its surroundings. One afternoon, we decided to introduce the robot vacuum into our home to help with the cleaning process.
In this video, we will explore some of the most fascinating legends, decipher riddles, and see if we can separate truth from fiction.